What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So I went and did some researching today and I found some pretty good DeWalt power tool deals that I wanted to share with you guys. So first up, I was searching on Amazon and I found the DeWalt 20 volt Max XR jigsaw. This one's coming in at 27% off here at $159.57. This is the model number DCS334B. And it does show down here that it ships from Amazon and it is sold by Amazon. But a closer look at this is, it is the XR tool only jigsaw. As you guys can see, it's got the integrated dust blower, Nomar shoe. It's got the 4 orbital settings, bevel detents right there. And then if I go over here and click into Home Depot, did a little research here, and for the same DeWalt DCS33 4B XR model, they got this for $239 on their website. Same model, tool only. Then I went to Lowe's. You're up here, they got the DCS33 4B, so same model, XR jigsaw, $219 for Lowe's. So really good deal here on Amazon for $159.57. Of course, this has the brushless motor for longer runtime, compact size, and then it's got the illuminated LED there right in the front to illuminate your work surface. So nice discount on this DeWalt Max XR jigsaw. So the next tool I found on Amazon was DeWalt 20 volt Max XR oscillating toolkit. So this is model number DCS356C1. So they got this right now, lowest price in 30 days, so 45% off on this one here. So huge discount. They got it in at $99. It says the list price was $179.99. And also down here it does say it ships from Amazon, sold by Amazon. So you guys can see here, you're going to be able to pick up the whole kit. You get the oscillating tool here, a couple blades. You're going to get the bag, your charger, and then also a battery with this one. So of course this does have the LED light in the front, brushless motor because it's an XR, quick change accessory system, 3-speed selector over here. You guys can see the selector. So nice oscillating tool here for $99. And I did a little bit more research and same setup here on Home Depot. They got this for $179. Currently it's even out of stock. And then I went to Lowe's, same setup, $199. So really killer deal on this pickup at Amazon for $99. If you guys are interested in any of these DeWalt tools, I'll go ahead and post links in the description box below. You guys can just use those links and it'll take you right to these deals. So next up we got the DeWalt Reciprocating saw. This is model number DCS380B. Little discount on this, 22% off. Comes in at $108.99. Says list price is $139. So as you guys can see, tool only. But a nice reciprocating saw here. I did do my due diligence and some research, and they do have this at Home Depot for $119. And then same price at Lowe's. So a little bit of discount here with Amazon at $108.99. And then like the others, it does ship from Amazon and sold by Amazon. This is the DeWalt 20 volt Max orbital sander with the oscillating tool, with the 5 amp hour battery and charger. This is model number DCK202P1. On Amazon, they got this for $229. It says the list price is $299. Also ships from Amazon and sold by Amazon. But you're going to get the oscillating tool with this one, the XR oscillating tool. You get the brushless orbital sander. You're going to get a 5 amp hour battery. And then you'll get the charger, the fast charger with this. So pretty nice setup. Ideal for all woodworking. 23% off on this at Amazon, but I did check my local Home Depot, and Home Depot does have it on a special buy right now for $229. So you're not really catching too much of a deal. I just wanted to let you guys know right now Amazon and Home Depot's got this for $229. I think it's a pretty good pickup on this oscillating tool and then the orbital sander with the battery and charger. And last but not least, they got a DeWalt mechanic toolkit and socket set, 1/4 inch 3/8 drive, 108 piece, model number DWMT73801. On here on Amazon it says 61% off, bringing the price down to $62.10. It says the list price is $160.93. This is also sold by Amazon and ships by Amazon. But I went ahead and I checked out Home Depot, and Home Depot's got this for $76.41. So it's still going to be cheaper if you go ahead and pick this deal up on Amazon. So pretty nice setup here. As you guys can see, it comes with the nice black case. As you guys can see here, 26 1/4 inch drive, 26 3/8 drive tools, 28 hex keys. You get the 22 max fit bits and then 6 specialty tools. So nice little setup. 108 piece DeWalt kit here. Picked this up on Amazon for $62.10. Another ships from Amazon and sold by Amazon. So pretty nice setup there. I'll make sure I put links to all of these DeWalt tools in the description box below. Go ahead and use those links if you guys are thinking about getting any of these deals on these DeWalt tools. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, found it useful. If you did, smash that like button. You guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you're subscribed, hit that notification bell and click all so you guys get notified as soon as I post a video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one.